वेलकम टू ट्रैक्टर जंक्शन। हम लोग इस वक्त मौजूद हैं मुंबई ताज द ट्री होटल में, जहां पर ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ है इंडियन ट्रैक्टर ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड्स 2025। और ये अवार्ड कभी भी पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता अगर इस इंडस्ट्री से जुड़ी हुई कंपनियां हमें सपोर्ट ना करें। तो आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं CNS से विशाल सर, हेड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट मार्केटिंग। Sir, first of all, welcome to our channel.
Thank you.
And congratulations for receiving 3 awards.
Thank you.
So, your experience with this I285 award?
I think first of all, thank you very much for organizing this event because everybody is working, but they need some appreciation. So, India Tractor of the Award is a platform which gives all companies to showcase their work and get recognized. So, thank you very much for this platform. I think event was very well organized, though it was a rain and all, but with your hard work, it was done very well.
So, very basic and simple question. I285 awards से जो इंडस्ट्री में कंपनियां काम कर रही हैं, पिछले 5 साल से चल रहा है, दिस इज 6th एडिशन। क्या इंडस्ट्रीज के अंदर किसी तरह का बिकॉज ऑफ दिस अवार्ड्स कोई कॉम्पिटिटिव नेचर आया है या किसी तरह का कोई मोटिवेशन डेवलप हुआ है टू एनहांस द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्ट?
Definitely. So, for example, I have different product managers for different categories. So, last year we won the award in 50 HP category, and that product manager was very, very excited. And other product managers also wanted to get the award. So, I'm not sure about other competition, but within New Holland for the different categories, people were excited. So, this time we got the jury award for the Workmaster 105 HP. So, definitely my team and the member of who developed the product, our R&D team, they would be definitely very, very excited.
सर, जिन प्रोडक्ट्स ने आपको अवार्ड्स दिलवाए हैं,
जी,
ऐसा कुछ खास उनके बारे में अगर आप बताना चाहें दर्शकों को, जिसकी वजह से वो भारत में सबसे ज्यादा पसंद किए गए हैं और हमारी जूरी ने उनको नंबर 1 प्रोडक्ट अनाउंस किया है?
So there are 2 awards I think which are very important for us. One is the smart machine for which our combine harvester got the award. Our combine harvester is a multi-crop combine harvester which is equipped with the AC cabin, so we take care the operator is able to work for longer hours and it is suitable for more than 25 crops.
Okay.
So the way it has been designed that it works across the season to increase the productivity and of course the income of the farmer. So that is one award, and the other the Workmaster 105. So this is first time in India somebody has launched 105 HP product in India. The vision of New Holland is that we are the only company who are the complete agri mechanization solution provider. So we have product right from 17 HP, then we have combine harvester, sugarcane harvester, forage harvesters, balers, and then product was there up to 75 HP. But the need of the hour was that a product of above 75 HP, because we wanted to bring modern machinery also.
Right.
To operate that machinery, farmers were demanding that there should be product above 75 HP.
Right.
That is why 105 HP has been launched and very well accepted in the Indian market.
Great, sir, great. So you've already given your vision also to our audience. How the farmers going to get benefits from your products in the future?
So like I said that New Holland is the only company who is complete agri mechanization solution.
Right.
I would say world class technology to Indian farmer. So for the residue management, like we all know in Delhi we have the smog issue. For that we brought balers, we brought 210 horsepower HP product. So it is not only taking care of pollution issue, but also increasing the farmers' productivity and income, because that residue is being used by industry and that is how farmers are earning well. So with our technology, we want to increase the profitability of the farmers by increasing their productivity, and that is happening with the combination of our implements and tractor.
Great, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving your time. And once again, congratulations for winning these 3 awards. Thank you. And in the last, I would say कि जो आपका प्लान है, जो आपने विजन तय किया है कंपनी के लिए भी और फार्मर्स के लिए भी, आने वाले समय में वो सब आप भी अचीव करें और उससे किसानों को भी बहुत फायदा हो. एंड इन नेक्स्ट इयर्स यू गेट द मोर एंड मोर अवार्ड्स. सो कांग्रेचुलेशंस अगेन एंड थैंक यू सो मच, सर, फॉर गिविंग योर टाइम. थैंक्स, सर.